Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. So here's the long-awaited video of the ROKR, that's ROKR, Marble Spaceport and Marble Night City combined shoot in Ultraviolet. In this video I show you the different problem areas, some successful operations, and a few sighs of frustration. Here you can see the balls building up before the lifting tower. The problem is the little lifting boxes are not leaning back far enough, long enough to allow a ball to flow into them. Using my hand, I would lift it up and allow a ball to flow into them and then release it. This fixed that problem. Here's the back right corner working somewhat. Nothing is going down the spiral, though in a second you'll see an area that tends to clog. Here's where I learned how to assist the lifting tower, making it work so much better. Here is the back right corner after making some adjustments to the flappers. I filed the hole bigger below the left flapper, and I swapped the flappers so the one I had initially filed down too much, which was on the right, to the left side, and it would finally drop the ball down, ready to go down the spiral track. Finally, I get some consistent use of the spiral. And that's the Ultraviolet marble run. I hope that at least some part of this video will help you in your own Marble Night City and Marble Spaceport builds. I've seen some reviews where people have had trouble making these marble runs work. I had a number of problems myself, but to be fair to ROKR, painting this project however sloppily and using the wrong size balls twice didn't help the overall operation. I still had a lot of fun, and I can watch this thing for hours. I'm going to put together a couple compilation videos of an hour of this thing's operation, with one video with the natural sound and another with some of my music. Look for those in a bit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please consider subscribing to my Patreon, where you can help me decide what to build and review next.